Hello everyone, welcome back to another video showing off my new car. So if you don't follow the channel that much, I did have a Celica which got a little bit written off, but thankfully finally got through all the insurance stuff and I've been able to get myself something else and the money for it. So here it is. But yeah, so I got myself a little R50 Mini. Obviously this is the Celica replacement. Ironically, the Celica was written off by a Mini and then I brought myself a Mini, and this is actually also a cat end, so this also was originally written off. So there's a lot of irony in there, but we're kind of going to gloss over all of that because, yeah, I've got myself a Mini now. So this is definitely the slowest car I've ever had on the channel, but I mean, it's more fun to drive a slow car fast than a fast car slow, so I guess we're going to have some fun with it, because we have got a track day coming up very soon, so we have done a few bits already. Expect videos on that coming up very soon, but we're going to see how it does, and then that's when the mods can come once I find out what I want to start with first. Although I feel like an exhaust is definitely on its way, because this car's far too quiet to everything I'm used to driving, so that might have to be very soon. But yeah, plenty of other stuff too, because I've got to help try and keep up with the MX-5 on track, because that's already had a fair bit done to it and this is currently quite stock. But there should be quite interesting comparisons because they're both 1.6s with similar power. Obviously this is a bit heavier, but being a hatchback I can strip out a lot more weight from this now, so hopefully it could catch up a bit. So we'll see how that goes out on track. But yeah, there's plenty of stuff coming for this, so if you are interested in seeing where this Mini goes and have any suggestions of things you've done to your one, if you do have one, obviously comment them down below. Subscribe if you want to see where it goes and what happens with it. And if you did like this video, give it a like. But yeah, till then, see you in the next one. Bye guys.